During the construction phases of my production, I used media technologies such as Photoshop for the magazine and film poster. I took the pictures for both of these auxiliary texts using Nikon D2100 digital camera, and then edited out the background and used the blur tool for a more finished complexion on Photoshop. I also edited the brightness, contrast and positioning of the individual pictures to create the perfect photos for my poster and magazine cover. I created my film trailer using iMovie after shooting on a standard Samsung video camera. I worked on an iMac and cut all of the clips using the trimmer tool and created voiceovers using the microphone tool. I also used the transitions and text which are offered on iMovie to create my titles and movement between clips. In the research and planning stages of my media products, I relied heavily on the internet in particular. I researched into the 1940s and 1940s fashion, then used Blogger to present my ideas on. I also included Prezzies, which is an online presentation website which I embedded onto my blog. I also created videos using Windows Movie Maker and iMovie to create videos presenting my research and Vocaroos to create MP3 voice clips of my descriptions. I compared a lot of existing trailers to my media product and plans for the construction of my media product. To view these, I used YouTube and embedded clips which were of relevance onto my blog, or cut pieces of trailers onto iMovie clips. I also used Microsoft Word and Photoshop to create spider diagrams and mind maps in the initial stages of my research, along with the iMac built-in camera to video my own ideas to then be uploaded. I worked on an iMac computer for the whole of my research, planning, construction, editing and evaluation stages. My evaluation mainly consisted of using iMovie. I cut clips of myself speaking into the camera and used the picture within picture feature to have a clip of myself in the corners of the pictures I was showing in the videos. I also used the voiceover feature on iMovie and QuickTime Player to use a screen recording aspect. The internet was one of the biggest parts of creating my evaluation in order to compare my media products to existing posters, magazines and trailers, and to then embed my evaluations onto Blogger.